Perfection is your biggest enemy. Maraming tao hindi nagpo-post ng mga content nila because they feel their videos should be reaching a level of standard para matanggap ng audience nila. When, in contrary, napansin ko rin yung mga talagang todo effort sa mga ginagawa nila. Minsan yun pa yung hindi mga nagre-resonate sa audience. And on the flip side, those who are very authentic, very out of the spur moment lang na pag-shoot, very spontaneous in a way na pag-create ng content, yung pa yung nagpa-viral, yung pa yung nag-grow ng sobrang dami. It's because perfection is a myth. You will never reach a standard that will make you feel as perfecto or good enough to. But you can only produce a lot of videos and get better from the last video. I always believe that you are only as good as your last video. And if you really want to get good at this, then you just need to create more and more and more. And then magugulat ka yung quality nito tataas na rin. Never aim for perfection. Always aim for progress. Because kung dun ka nakafocus, mas madali sa'yo to na gawin sustainably and consistently.